Hey boys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. So today I'm here with a new two offers. So you already seen this offer on thumbnail. So without wasting any time, let's start with the first one. The first one is Gamma.x airdrop, and here you can see this offer. The link of this offer is given in the description. So click on this link which was given in description and come to this offer. After coming to this page, click on register button. When you click on register button, choose whichever you want on the browser, and it was very simple, so you can do it yourself. But for this video I'm gonna show you how to register on this. So fill up your name, your last name, email, country, and referral code was already given in there, so don't need to change this referral code. So when you're done, click on submit button. So I'm going to fill up this option. I already fill up the upper section, so I'm coming to the lower section, and here you can submit your MetaMask wallet ID. So I'm going to submit my MetaMask wallet ID here, and I'm going to choose a password for this. So after you type your password, click on I am a human and complete the verification KYC verification. That's not the KYC, complete the verification. So here you can see they told me to click on panda, so I'm here and I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Then now click on register button, and if you want to save your Gmail or password, you can click on save and wait for a minute for loading. After a few minutes, when the loading is complete, you can see your dashboard. So here you can see your dashboard. This is your dashboard, and if you want to complete your taxes, so here is your taxes. You can complete the sign up tax, answer quiz tax, and whitelist referral, and this is your referral code. You can see it here. Okay, I think you can do it yourself, so I'm not going to show you how to do this. So let's jump into the second offer, which which link also given on the description. So here you can see the second airdrop link here, and it's an domain offer. You can see it here. You need to mint a domain. It costs $5 to $6. Okay, so let's do it. Copy this, or you can open this on your browser, which one you want, and you can also open this on DFs on any wallet section. After the site is loaded, click on three bar and make it on desktop mode, that you can easily operate this, and wait for a minute. Click on current section and click on MetaMask if you had MetaMask, and if you don't had MetaMask, if you don't know how to add MetaMask extension in QE browser, I'll already make a video for this. You can see it from the I button, or you can also check it on description for this. And after that, you need to connect your wallet with this, and here you can see I had 6.7 to $6.72 on my wallet, and here you can see my wallet is already connected. What's happened to this? I think there's some problem. You can see here my wallet is already connected, and after that you need to search a space ID for you. So I am going to search my space ID with my channel name, that's GoribInsaan.bab, and here you can see it is available for me, and I'm going to register this domain. Okay, so click here register button, click to this register button and wait for a minute. And after the loading is complete, you can see it cost me like 5.87 $5.87, and if you had SID point you can redeem it. So I did this. So for that time I didn't have it, so I need to request for them, and you need to confirm a transaction from your MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to confirm that. Here you can see my transaction need to a confirmation, so it cost me 7 cents. And after the confirmation, you need to come again on this the web page. Here you can see I already confirmed my transaction, and my transaction is already confirmed it. And wait for a minute for the confirmation, and wait for a second. After that, you can see it here on the register button. So click on register, and again you need to confirm a transaction. So click on three bar, and here you can see, wait a second, here you can see a transaction to complete it on MetaMask. So complete this transaction, it cost me $5.50. Here you can see the total amount and the gas fee, and it cost me $6.24. So here you can see how many dollar or how many cents you need to complete this. So wait a second, and the transaction was pending, and after that my domain will be registered. And the same process, you need to register your domain for the airdrop. And yeah, you can see your domain is already registered. My domain is already registered, and I need to set my primary name. Wait a second, here is, you can see, to set my primary name. So here you can see my domain is my primary name. I already set it on here, and click on save button. So after that, wait for a second, I think it save, or I need to confirm that. Yeah, I need to confirm that for my primary section. So you need to confirm again confirmation which was sent it on your MetaMask wallet. And I know that I'm not good in English, so that's why I had too much problem with that, but I am trying to improve my English. Okay, so here you can see my I already said my domain name, and yeah, it was GoribInsaan.bnb. Here you can see my space ID domain was already created, so I can now join all those offers which was given from space ID. And I already told you that I am going to see your two offers which was related to this domain. So let's jump into those. And you here you can if you want to refer your friends, so you can click on refer, and here you can see your refer link here. Okay, you can copy this and refer to your friends, and you can get some earning from them. Okay, jump into those two offers which was related to this domain. Okay, so here you can see the two offers which was given from Galaxy. So you can go them to collect this. And if you want, choose which browser you want to open those links. And I choose Chrome, and wait for a second to loading this page. And if you are new in Galaxy, you need to register first, then after that you need to join this. And here you can see I have already my space ID, primary name owner, and space ID Twitter follower. I need to join those and those uh, taxes to complete my registration and get a free NFT from here. Here you can see I am like and retweet already, like and retweet on this, and I'm going to join their Discord. So come here and click on verify button, and after that click on join now. And make sure you already connected with those wallet which already have the space ID domain. Okay, I can see I'm already on their Discord account. After that, click on rules and click on this emoji. Then go to the verify here section and click on verify. And you need to click already this. And they said me to answer this, which and what is it I need to say it. Say this. Here I can see they give me a code which was CYLTFO. I need to type on there. So CYLTFO. Here you can see I type this code and click on continue button. After that, you can see here I already verified on their Twitter account. Oh, no, sorry, I'm sorry. It's on Discord. I'm already verified on their Discord account. And after that, you can already also join these airdrops you if you want to. Okay, so let's talk about those offers after this video. Okay, click on verify button, and you need to switch your BSC wallet address. So here you can see I'm available to climb a NFT from there, but I need to change my wallet, or I need to change my not a wallet, I need to change my network. And for this I need to go to my connect section of this wallet. So here you can see I'm going to change it on BNB and click on approve. And after that you can see my wallet is already connected, and I need to click on climb button for climbing this NFT. And here you can see you need to confirm a transaction for this, and it cost me 19 cents. So you can say that the video is already costed $8 something from you, and you can get some free NFTs and a domain with this for this. Okay, here you can see I already climbed one, and you by this process you need to climb the second one, and it was very simple. That I think I didn't need to show you how to climb this, but I'm going to showing you because I need to brought this video more. Not it's already 10 minutes. Not I'm not gonna going this. So let's complete those tasks, and after that I'm going to climb on your face. So guys, here you can see my domain and my NFT as well already climbed successfully. Here you can see my NFT, and I'm going to add this NFT on my site. And here you can see my wallet section and NFTs, and where this go. And here you can see those NFTs. Where is those NFTs? Yeah, here you can see my NFTs space ID, which was given to the GoribInsaan.vnb space ID. And here you can see my space ID files. Okay, here you can see the series of this, and it's an prime series. Here you can see that, and it cost us, the floor price is 0.04. Here you can see this, the floor price. If you want to buy sell those, so you can already sell and buy on those sites. So I hope you will enjoy this video. So make sure you click on the subscribe button. After that you need to click on those video like button and give them a share to your friends. So let's end this video with a happy moment by commenting on my video. So bye bye, tata, goodbye, see you on the next video. Love it, assalamu alaikum.